Hello everyone, this is Gary Bennett at xcelMe. Our last course in the Makers series is Introduction to 3D Printers, CNC Machines, and 3D Software. And on our schedule, if you go to our schedule, you can see when this class is being offered, which is in September. The classes are Tuesdays and Thursday nights. There's 8 classes per course. And in this series, we're going to be covering basically how 3D printers, CNC machines, and more importantly, how to use the 3D software can be used to make your Makers project and integrate that with your microcontrollers and whatever tools and sensors that you want to make some great products and prototypes and just fun projects for you to use. And so we're going to be going over how to select the 3D printer that you want. There's tons of them out there. We're going to be actually seeing how to use 2 3D printers that I'll be using in the course that are different ends of the spectrum for price and quality. They all put out great product, but they have their pros and their cons on each of them. There's trade-offs, and then we're going to be going over the 3D software that allows you to go ahead and make these products. Because the 3D software has a learning curve like everything else. And now that we've learned how in our Maker series with our microcontrollers to make some cool projects, we're going to learn how to integrate that. Some of your 3D printing applications won't have any microcontrollers or sensors. They'll just be, you know, the output of what the 3D printer has. So we're going to be covering all the spectrum with with our 3D printing products and our software. And then we're also going to be talking about CNC machines and when we should be using those, how to use them, and most importantly, for both of these tools, 3D printers and CNC machines, we don't necessarily have to have one. We can use some of the service bureaus out there. We'll be discussing how to do that, the trade-offs, and how to get started doing it with the 3D software that we're going to be using. And then we're going to be talking about how to hook things up with our kinetic and scanning our own products into the software so that we can then go ahead and use that as a basis to print or to modify and make our own custom molds and printing devices from that. So we look forward to having you. There's lots to cover in this. I'm really interested to see what everybody's doing out there. We will be covering lots of information and then also just hearing from the community out there and what people are interested in learning with these 3D printers and CNC machines and the software and questions that you have. So there are 8 classes in this course. Each class is given on Tuesdays and Thursday nights at 6 p.m. Pacific time. And they generally last about an hour, but this one may go over because there's a lot of fun stuff to talk about that everybody's excited about. So if you have any questions, feel free to contact us on our Contact Us page. And I look forward to hearing from you and seeing you in our courses. Thanks for listening.